This is the 2022 range from Spanish manufacturer Benimar, part of the Trigano group. This is the Tessoro 481, and this thing here is going to cost 62,500 euros. Looking like this. Well, it's a 6-meter van, but it's quite a wide van within those 6 meters, and it's got a bed up there, and it's got a huge amount of space here at the back. Now, a friend of mine bought one of these and he thinks it's great, only he doesn't like the size, how the chairs are. Well, we'll get on to that. This is 3 burners without the knobs. Stop them getting pinched. There's the sink, and I can't get this in now. And there's a stack of space for storage. Bit of space up there as well, like the all space used. Though I'm not certain what you could do with that. You'd really want to have it covered with something, in my opinion. So there we have plenty of storage as well. Looks nice. And up here as well, here's the fridge, which today I was accused of never showing. Thetford fridge. And down there, I've just got a message come through saying, will you be recording at this year's? And I don't know what the rest of it's going to say. So I get these messages. Now, I'd like to point out one thing though, please. I'm more than happy to film things for people, and if you've got any requests, but send it, don't send me private emails doing it, because I get so many of them, you won't get a response, and you mightn't get your wish fulfilled either. So there, for Patreons, I mean, that's clearly obvious, a separate situation. I will respond and I'll help out, but I can't just, everybody writes to me about vans and advice and what to do. I can't do it. It's not possible. You know, otherwise I'll be just spending all my time writing to people. So, so please put it in the comments if you want something filmed. Or you can use the live streams. I do live stream every single week, and that is the time to actually put your comments and questions. You get an immediate answer. Oh, now this one here, sort of having said all that, look, you've got a stack of them here, but this is the garage, because that's the outside one, outside door as well. There's your ladder. Now you need the ladder if you have to put out any burning buildings, for example, or alternatively if you're going to get yourself into the bed. Now, right, there's your television. Now I've come in here, and my mate Tom, who'll probably be watching this in any case, but he said that he actually raised the height of the chair. Got these cushions, I can't stand cushions. He raised that higher. He thought the chair was too low. Well, that's quite a lot of work really, but it's nice to know he actually tried. And obviously it's companies that make these things, they've got to think who might be using them. Might be kids in them. I know kids don't buy motorhomes, but there might be, so that's who they're thinking. I don't know if that's who they're thinking of, but they're thinking, not thinking they're making the chairs particularly high. Fantastic table. Now, do you know any other manufacturer who has a table this big in their van? This van is a table carrier. Absolutely brilliant, that. You know, I just think of, you know, for me, I mean, I make a right mess. Now my table in the van, because I get back from here so late and I'm really tired out and I got to get up really early. I just got piled, and the mess is just sort of piling up. The stuff I sort of take back, and that would really suit me down to the ground. That my table's only about what, 2/3 of that one. Anyway, so having said what a fantastic table it is, there's the electronics and your heating. So what do you think of the van? That is the question. Now, to get the bed to come down, I will need the key, and I don't have the key, so I'm afraid we're out to look on that one. But I've seen how far it comes down. Should really have to take these chairs out, but effectively the bottom of it's going to be around there. So you don't really need the ladder. You got electronics here. That might be suitable in bed for connecting your mobile phone. You've got a hook up there, and you can see what's on the radio, because for some reason that's come up. I've noticed that a number of motorhomes that just comes up even though the keys aren't in. Okay, good. That's let's go and see something else. I'll show you around the Benimar stand for a couple of minutes, and as well as around this van. Well, I wanted to show you around the van, but it's all being sorry, around the van. I'm showing you around the van. I want to show you around the stand, but I see they're cleaning it up, and they're gonna that's the end of it. It's getting closed down. So that's it. If you want to see anything Benimar, you're out of luck. But I shall go somewhere else where you can see the vans, and you can then make your appropriate thoughts. Whilst I'm walking around like this, I would just like to show you this new logo of Fiat's, which has just come out. Ford's also sort of upgraded their logo as well, I noticed, on some of their vehicles. And yeah, I think that looks, I like that new logo. It's got a lot, it's got style, it's harking back to former days at the same time as looking modern. So I think it's a really nice contrast of everything. Now, yesterday I was on the Rapido stand. This is before it opened, for the fair opened, and I was being really enthusiastic at one of their vans, and this character came at me, shouting at me, and you know, saying I had no respect for filming there when the stand wasn't open. Anyway, good. So that's it as far as this is concerned. I shall now clear off and back to this one, Tessoro 481. And thanks for watching. And if I want to see more of this, I can go and see my mate Tom, and I can see him in his van. He lives just outside of Krakow in Poland, and his van's about 4 years old. Anyway, he'll see this video and he'll no doubt make a comment below asking me where I am. Thanks for watching.